Hey guys, how you doing? Shadow Drone here. I'm putting together two quick videos, just to post something. As you probably saw, the test flight of the turret went really well, surprisingly, as I would call it, straight out of the box, with a little bit of just putting it together and balancing it out. It flew quite well, so now comes the fine-tuning and that kind of stuff. So one of the things I want to show you guys is my design on aircraft location markers or beacon markers. And what I've done is I've created some simple cases here for my 3D printer. And it's quite simple. These are measured to fit on the edges on the arms, and there's room for 3 LEDs, and I'm going to be using these type of LEDs, but it's this style but not this one specific. Okay, the ones I'm ordering are brighter than this one. They're the same diameter, which is 5 millimeters, and they don't have the wire on them. Okay, so the idea here is to put the LEDs in here. Okay, they basically stick in here. Okay, and then I basically connect them all with a wire, and then the feed wire comes out through this slot right here and goes into the turret arm, and then goes to the connector that was designated for LED lights. Now these are maximum volt 12 volts, and since I'm running a 14 volt and above, I'm thinking of flexing between 14 volt and 18 volt on the drone. Now during yesterday's flight, it was quite windy. The drone did respond quite well, so it didn't feel sluggish. Of course, it wasn't really calibrated either to the point where I would be satisfied with it. So once I calibrate it over the weekend and I'm able to test fly it with no wind, which is usually the only time we don't have any breezes here is in the morning hours. Anything up to noon and after, we usually get the Santa Ana winds. And, well, the winds are too strong to really do anything. So tomorrow I will do a test flight again with the calibrations. I'm going to try to calibrate it in the morning and get it up in the air. The 14 volt 6000 milliamp battery is going to arrive today. The only problem is the battery comes with an XT90 connector, so I have to make a adapter from XT90 to XT60. But that's nothing. That's easy peasy. And as far as these things go, basically, the lights go in. You bend over the wires, okay, because normally they have these hard aluminum extensions, not the wire. And you basically flip them to the left and the right, put them in, glue them in, and then run a wire straight down and straight down on both sides and out through there. And then these are the lids. Basically, they're self-locking, as you can see. They have a little gouge lip in there, which I basically put in there, and then basically you can glue it if you wanted to, or snap it in place. See? Snapped in place, and they don't go anywhere. See that? Gotta love a 3D printer, man. If you don't got a 3D printer and you're into this kind of stuff, you're missing out, guys. Big time. Keep an eye on Amazon, eBay, whatever. Get yourself a freaking 3D printer. They've come down a lot. Like I said, I got mine for $199 on a flash sale on Amazon, and I haven't regretted that money since. It's definitely saved me a lot of money. Not only that, but I could print whatever I want. So, and a lot of this stuff I'm making on Tinkercad, which is an online web-based CAD program, and it's easy peasy. I mean, literally a child can do it, and it's quick and easy. and you can save your models and everything. And if you want to share them, you could share them, or if you want to just keep them to yourself, you just keep them to yourself. So yeah, so definitely. So here we go. Anyway, I think that'll be it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And like I said, I'm always around. And I'm going to do one more video after this, but it's on something different. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, take care. Catch you later. Keep your heads down. Fly safe.